There may be times when thin bodies or slivers of the skeleton will appear in the strip assembly. This will occur when cutting punches do not exactly follow the contour of the blank sketch. To remove these unwanted bodies, first open the first skeleton part where you see a sliver. Then select the bodies you would like to delete, right-click, and select Delete Keep Bodies. Click OK and save and close the skeleton part. The sliver is removed from that station, but it is still visible in the other stations. This is because the skeleton part in the next station is set to a different configuration and the delete body feature is suppressed. Right-click on the feature and select the logo press unsuppress on the following stations tool. Those slivers are now deleted in all the remaining stations. There are more slivers from other punches further in the strip. These are removed using the same method. First, open the skeleton part. Select the bodies you would like to delete. Right-click, select Delete Keep Bodies, hit OK. The bodies are removed. Save and close. Those bodies have been removed, but there are some bodies left in the last station. We can simply find the Delete Keep Body and click on it and unsuppress. The strip is now cleaned up and free of sliver bodies in the skeleton.